absolutely broke it. I just got caught in a big storm there. Coming along the road, and there was loads of places to stop. I knew it was going to rain. I thought, there's loads of places to stop, so I kept going. Just my luck when it started, there was nothing about, absolutely nothing. So I just rode for about 3 kilometres, and that's thunder, lightning. It's really dark a minute ago as well. So I just managed to stop somewhere. Get a nice hot cup of coffee. It's going to see me through this. I'll probably stop in about 10 minutes. I'm only like 10 kilometres from my stop for the night. So I was hoping I was going to make it there before it started raining, but obviously not. Oh well. Look at my face. Went snorkeling the other day and something to do with that, I think. Looks like herpes. Oh well. Coffee time. Adios.